Hi, this is Luis and I am from Luis Bond. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create or how you can add videos to your WordPress website. So say for example this is your WordPress website and you want to add videos in the blog section. So let me go to click on dashboard, go to pages, then all pages. I want to add videos in the blog section, so click on edit. So this is my blog section. I can click on this and click on YouTube, and here you need to enter URL. So let me open, say for example this is the video which I want to add to my WordPress website. So I can click on that video and I can right click and I can copy this URL and I go back pages, sorry this one, and paste it. Just right click and paste, click on embedded. Okay, now click on update. So let's check. So this is my blog and under blog this is the video which I have uploaded. Okay, it's perfect, it's fine. So this is one way you can add videos to your WordPress website in any section. Okay, now let me show you the other way.
Then I can tell something about myself. Who am I?
I go to dashboard, this is my backend, then I can go to my site and I can click on edit with Elementor. Scroll down, you will find this section. You just need to click on this and you can select the column. You can select on this, and from here you just need to click on this and find video element. So this is the video element, just drag it over there. Now click on this, go to video, copy the link, just right click and you will see this option, copy video URL. Okay, so go back. Once you click on this, just click on this, you will find this section. Just delete this link. You just need to delete full detail and then right click, paste it. In the same way you can do like this. So let me add one more videos.
And today we are going,
let me copy the link, come back, click on this blue icon and delete. Now right click and paste the URL link. Now let's check
for this.
Okay, it's working.
Click on buy now.
Click on
in this page. Hi guys, you guys if you're already having your domain, you can click. And today we are going to see how you can add a variable product to our e-commerce.
Now click on update. Let me check blog, go to your site. So these are the video which I have added on the home page, and let me check in the blog section.
If you're new, you're making it.
So this is how you can add videos to your WordPress website. So guys, this is how you can add your videos to WordPress web. And finally, don't forget to click on subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you won't miss the next video which is going to come very soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.